Hey guys, welcome you all. Hope you are all doing well. This video is basically for the new WordPress developers, website developers, those who have started developing websites through WordPress. They are facing many issues related to logo. First issues like they did not able to find where the logo changing option is available. The second issue is they have managed to change the logo in the logo changing section, but when they open their website, that doesn't reflect in their website. That means the logo still unchanged in their website. And the third issue is they have managed to complete the first two steps, like they have found the logo changing option and successfully changed the logo in their website. But when they open their website with mobile or any other kind of devices like tablets or except PC, the logo remain unchanged. So these three issues they are basically faced. So I want to cover all these issues in this video. So stay tuned with me to know all about it. So basically this is your website. So first of all, you have to know where the logo option is available. First of all, the logo option is available in customize option. So go to customize. You must need to log in your website. Then here you can see there is an option header builder. Go to there. Here is an option you can see directly logo. This is the main problem. Most of the people changes logo from there. Actually this logo here, whatever logo you upload, this doesn't reflect in your website homepage, because maximum theme of the homepages basically are transparent homepages. So this logo section is not for transparent headers. So if you upload your logo for the homepage, you can see here is my logo in my homepage is another, and here another logo is uploaded. So you can see if you upload the logo here, that doesn't reflect here. If you upload the logo here, it definitely reflects, but the place is in your homepage. If you go to another page, suppose if I go to another place, suppose account, here you can see the logo is appearing. So if you upload logo here, the logo will appear in the other pages of the website, but not the home page, because most of the home pages are transparent, and so you have to upload a different place to show in your home page. So here you can see there is an option transparent header. If you upload whatever logo you will upload here, the logo will be displayed in your home page. So you can see I have uploaded this logo here and it is visible here. So this is the main thing you have to remember before uploading logo. And now going for the third issue, those who have uploaded successfully logo but not visible in the mobile. When they are opening the mobile, they can't even see the logos. Actually WordPress site has created a different logo status, logo section for mobile devices and smartphone or tablet devices, and this is called the Retina device. You can see different logo for Retina device. The smartphone device basically called Retina device. So if you want to change your logo in your mobile for a different logo, so go with Retina device. Just click on the Retina device and you will get the logo here, and whatever logo you will upload here, that will separately available in your mobile device. When you open your the website in your mobile, you will get the logo separately here. So this is the things you have to remember when you uploading your logo. So otherwise that might causing issues, and you all know we are developing a website with too much efforts, and after all when we trying to upload the logo, if it cause issues, it's really disheartening and also really frustrating for us. So hope you remember these things when you upload logos and make your website successfully. So I think I have covered all the things whatever I wanted to say. If you still have any issues or queries, you can comment it down. I will definitely try to answer it. So thanks for watching guys. and do like and share my video, and also subscribe the channel.